everyone. If you are also using Chrome as a normal user but facing the issue of managed by your organization, then Chrome might be affected by any malicious software or batch file. So moving directly into solution part, search registry editor. Click on HKey current user. Click on software. Now here click on policies. Here Google. Click right click and click on delete. Now close it. Close the Chrome. Open the Chrome again. And look, that part is now currently removed. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you very much.